Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, and of course, sa ating mga course watchers, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome or welcome back po dito sa Bonum Magos. Ayan, my name is Angel sa mga bagong pasok. So, wag na natin patagalin pa, Aries. Okay? So, in today's video, alamin natin kung ano ang magiging kapalaran ninyo sa buwan ng Mayo. Okay? This reading is for May 2024. Okay, mga madam and sir, kamusta po kayo? I hope okay lang po ang ating mga Aries. Ayan. So, Aries, simulan natin sa mga oracle cards. Okay? Ano mga kapalaran? Ano man nag-aantay sa inyo? Anong maasahan ninyo this May 2024? Aries, you have deep knowing. You have this, malakas ang intuition ninyo this month. Okay? Some of you are you're going through some sort of spiritual awakening, self-awareness. Magiging mas wais ang ating mga Aries. There is the sense of I feel like the collective is because of the solar eclipse na mangyayari. Yung iba sa inyo is mati-trigger ang inyong mga psychic abilities with this deep knowing, kasi parang meron kang lalakas ang inyong intuition, kumbaga. Okay? You have this, meron kang okay, whatever your gut is telling you, follow your intuition this month. Okay? Trust your gut feelings. Next, you have Aries. Ready, set, go. Now is the perfect moment to dive in and embrace your heart's desire. So it's time to follow your passion this month. I see that a lot of you are really going after what you want. Okay, going after your dream, reaching your goals. Ayan. This is you ready to achieve great things in life. Okay? Wow. For some of you, yung iba nagpaplano magtayo ng negosyo, the perfect month is May. Okay? Next, you have may nakikita din akong paglalakbay. You're in the flow. So, May 2024 is smooth sailing lang para sa ating mga Aries. Okay, you are in the flow. It means you are in alignment with the universe. This means that you are on the right path towards success, victory, and achievement. Abundance, prosperity, and you're in the flow. You're papunta ka na doon. Wow. You're in the flow. It means that the universe, you're in alignment with the higher gods, higher beings, universe. Again, everything is smooth sailing for you this month. Wala kayong magiging problema. Good. Okay, so far good. Maganda. Next. What else for our Aries? Aries, you have Five of Thought. Okay? The message here is the path you were on seemed like the right one, but now you've run into a challenge. There's a better direction for you, Aries, that will make you much happier in the end. Changes are necessary so that you can get back on track. See? Avoid negative people who are draining, who bring unwanted drama into your life. I feel like a lot of you Aries this month, you are detoxing. You are canceling some people. You are setting your boundaries. You are saying no to people. You are, kumbaga, ma-realize mo that as a person, meron ka din mga limitations. Okay? With the Five of Thought, it means that there are some changes na mangyayari sa inyo this May with regards to job, finances, career, negosyo. Those changes, okay? If may mga pagbabagong mangyayari sa inyo this May, again sinasabi ko, if may mga pagbabagong mangyayari sa inyo this May. Like unwanted changes, yung mga changes na, yung mga pagbabago hindi nyo inasahan. Sa work, matatanggal kayo sa trabaho, malulugi sa negosyo, mawawala ng trabaho, mafa-fire, matatanggal, and ano pa, basta yung mga changes na ganyan na at first parang madidismaya ka, but actually parang, because you have in the flow, remember this, actually those changes na feeling mo is nakaka-down in the at the beginning, but actually ginaguide ka ni God, iniiba niya ang direction ng buhay mo kasi may mas better pa na opportunity na ibibigay sa inyo. Tandaan niyo yan, Aries, okay? Tandaan niyo yan. Okay, what else? Kuha tayo ng tea leaf. Kapalaran for our Aries. So, changes are necessary for growth. Okay? Ayan. Relationship man also, like, if may mga pagbabago sa relationship, those are necessary para may mag-grow. It means that you deserve someone better. Okay? Alright. Aries. Ang daming gustong lumabas. Okay, I feel this one. Yung green. Okay, what else? For our Aries. Okay. Alright, Aries, you have crown. Honor and respect will come to you this month, Aries. Okay, maraming tao ang rerespeto sa'yo. Rerespetohin ka na ng mga taong dati-rati ay walang respeto sa'yo. It could be your children, this could be your children, this could be your family, this could be anybody, any people. This could be your workmates, friends, neighbors. Ayan. Okay? Next, you have arrow. You are on the right path. See, I told you earlier, you are on the right path. You are in the flow with the universe. You are being guided. Okay? You are on the right path regarding some aspect of your life. So this could be in your career, in your spiritual journey. This could be in your relationship for some of you. Okay? You have success. See? You're heading towards success. This month is full of opportunity that will lead to your success in career, business, trabajo, relationships. Ayan. Next, you have March. There's something about March next year. Okay? We'll put this here muna. Next, you have Scissors. Disappointment in some affair. So, tandaan nyo yan. You will feel kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina. Yung iba sa inyo makakaramdam ng pagkadismaya at the beginning. In the beginning lang. Okay? Sa umpisa pa lang. Pero ma-realize nyo later na dapat palang mangyari yon para sa ikakaunlad ko. Okay? Okay, Aries. Next, you have love. So, very prominent sa reading mo this May. Love, may paparating na love this May sa mga naghahanap po ng love life. Okay, next, you have teapot. Okay, deep friendship with someone of the same sex. So for some of you, this is sa mga gay dyan. Okay, mukhang masaya ang ating love life this month sa ating mga LGBTQT, sa mga gays, okay? Ayan, may deep friendship na nabubuo that would lead to love. Ayan, that would lead to love, no? Okay, next you have career. So, I feel like a lot of you Aries, magiging successful kayo this month when it comes to your career. Okay? Next, you have Caterpillar. Things will not always be this way. A change is coming. Meron talagang pagbabagong mangyayari. Okay? Again, okay, you are going through some sort of transformation. May changes na mangyayari sa career ninyo this month, Aries. For some of you, hindi nyo yan magugustuhan at the beginning. Lagi yung sinasabi sa umpisa, masakit, tanggapin, or hindi maganda. But later, okay, later, mga by the end of the May, or basta later, ma-realize niyo na maganda rin na nawala ako doon. Kasi, kumbaga, ang caterpillar dumadaan sa changes, 'di ba? After being a caterpillar, magiging butterfly sila. So I really do see that the changes that will happen in your life this month is for the better. Okay? It's for the better. You have gavel involvement with the law. So yung iba sa inyo mag-ingat kasi mukhang mai-involve sa law, or there's something about the law here. Maybe for some of you, uh, makukuha ninyo na yung hustisya. Okay, because we have success. Could also mean na yung iba sa inyo masasangkot sa law. Okay, so mag-ingat. You have wind chimes, peace and harmony. I feel like with this peace and harmony, yung matagal nyo ng hinahangad na kapayapaan. Okay? For some of you, it has something to do with your kaso. So I feel like this month, mananalo kayo sa kaso, yung iba sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo, ha? Hindi, kasi this is a general reading, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Okay? For some of you, nakikita ko na yung may kaso dyan, ito na yung peace sa wakas, ito na yung payak, darating na yung kapayapaan, yung hustisya na matagal nyo nang gustong ma-achieve. Okay, you have flute. Okay, disappointment in a friend or lover. Yung iba sa inyo, this month, makakaranas ng pagdismaya sa kaibigan, siguro rin. Okay, so mag-ingat sa mga kaibigan or a lover. Okay, there's something about a lover. Maybe it has something to do with the gay community, yung mga nasa gay community dyan, okay, mukhang madidismaya kayo, okay, mag-ingat baka lukuhin kayo ng yung mga lovers dyan, okay. Let's move this up so we can have more space. Next, you have crib, birth or conception of a child or enterprise. Pag enterprise, ibig sabihin negosyo. So, mga nangangarap magsimula ng negosyo, okay, this month is a very good month to start. Or for some of you, may nakikita akong may nagpaplano magsimula ng negosyo and it would lead to great success. Okay, it would lead to great success. Magiging successful ang inyong business this month sa may mga negosyo dyan. Okay, next you have yoke, feeling tied down or frustrated. So a lot of you Aries, you will feel the frustration this month kasi meron talagang makakaranas kayo ng pagkadismaya early May, but mga middle or by the end of the May mawawala yan. Okay, yan yung energy na pipick up ko. You have the spear, heartache over what you no longer have. So again, this could be related to your career, sa business. Ayan, for some of you, has something to do your career. Because you have ready and set go, and you have in the flow, and you have the 5 of Wands. There's something about may changes talagang mangyayari sa kapalaran niyo, Aries, this month. But no, lagi kong sinasabi, these changes will lead to a much better opportunity. Okay, so hayaan nyo lang yan. Trust in the flow, trust the process because gina-guide kayo ng universe. It's the same way with love, okay? Nakaranas kayo ng heartbreak. Okay, trust the process. Ganun talaga. Okay, dumadaan tayo sa pain. Pasensya na guys sa ingay, okay? Narinig nyo in the background. Ayan mga madam and sir. Aries, alamin natin kung ano pa ang mga dapat ninyong malaman. Okay. You have a Six of Cups. Okay, with the Six of Cups, I feel like when it comes to relationship, may magkakabalikan, may mag-aayos. Okay, magkakaayos, magkakabalikan. Okay, may uuwi ng probinsya, may uuwi. Okay, someone is coming home. You have the Lovers. Okay, this could be a twin flame karmic relationship. For some of you, very prominent sa reading ninyo. Justice. Okay, there is this energy where for some of you, may gustong bumalik sa buhay mo, Aries, na gusto niyang itama yung mga mali na nagawa niya sa inyo, sa iyo. Okay? I feel like this person, nakakarma siya sa kabila. If you are in a third party, nakakarma siya sa kabilang as relasyon. And for some of you, makukuha niyo yung hustisya when it comes to relationship, marriage, ganyan. Next, you have the Queen of Cups, Queen of Swords, and the Eight of Swords. Okay, Aries, Eight of Pentacles. Okay, huwag masyadong stress sa work this month, okay? I feel like a lot of you are gonna be working so hard this month, May. Puro kayo work, 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 work. Wala na kayong time na try to balance your life. Okay? Hindi kailangan madaliin ang success na gusto nating matamasa sa buhay. Hindi to karerahan. Walang karera. Like, huwag tayong makipagkarerahan sa mga kapitbahay natin, sa mga workmates natin, because you have to remember, smooth sailing lang dapat. Okay? We all have different timelines. Yung success na matatamasa niya ng kaibigan mo, ewan ko kung kanino mo kino-compare ang life mo, yung iba sa inyo, hindi lahat, hindi pare-pareho. Darating din yung time na maging successful ka. So, don't try to overwork yourself. Don't try too hard. Okay? Queen of Cups is a message to really take good care of yourself. Okay? Mental health, importante. Physical health, importante. Nurture yourself. Huwag pabayaan ang sarili. Huwag mag-isip masyado, Aries. Okay? Don't be too hard on yourself. Love yourself, kumbaga. Self-love. Ano ba yung self-love? Kasi pag nagkasakit tayo, na-stress tayo, nabugbog tayo sa work, another gastos. Hospital. Okay? Nakakamatay ang stress. Okay? Huwag tayo Okay? Ayan. So, Aries, yan po ang inyong gabay, mensahe, kapalaran this May. Let me know if nag-resonate kayo. Okay, kapalaran po ito, hula po ito. So, hopefully, yung mga guidance na binibigay ko dito, maa-apply ninyo, maalala ninyo, and most of all, i-consider ninyo. Okay, so, maraming salamat. Bago ako aalis, Aries, meron akong i-flex na Facebook page ko. Ladybug PH, ayan. Okay, sa mga naghahanap po ng Latin prayers, 100 each only, 100 pesos each only. Ayan. Best seller ko dito is yung Prayer for Debt Freedom. Sa mga gusto ng makaraos sa kanilang utang, ayan, meron. Sa mga naghahanap ng magandang trabaho, meron tayong prayer dyan. Meron prayer sa Latin to, ha. Meron din tayo sa financial success, financial prosperity, business success, and protection sa kulam, protection sa mga disgrasya. What else? Prayer for good fortune, meron din. And hustisya. So, naghahanap ng hustisya, gustong manalo sa kaso. Ayan, meron din tayo. Meron din tayong for loving relationships. Kung gusto niya ng mapaamo yung mga mahal niyo sa buhay, gusto na kayong tratuhin ng tama, maging loyal sa inyo, ayan, andyan po, may prayer po tayo dyan. Andun na lahat. So, pili na lang kayo. Okay, pili na lang kayo. Okay, nabagsakan ako ng prutas. Okay, pili na lang kayo and then message kayo sa akin sa Facebook page, Ladybug PH. Ayan po. So, huwag po kayong aalis kasi meron pa akong i-flex ng mga items na baka magustuhan ng iba. So maraming salamat po. Ingat po and God bless. I'll be right back. Ayan mga madam and sir, sa mga naghahanap po ng mga evil eye bracelets, ayan meron tayong pangmalakasan. Okay? Lakas makasosyal to mga madam. For only 300 pesos each. Ayan. Paunahan po sa pagbayad. Okay, message nyo po ako sa Facebook page Ladybug PH. Ayan. Okay. Because sa ngayon pa lang, as of now, okay, madami nang bumibili. Okay, magiging bestseller ko ata to. Okay, so ayan, huwag na kayong pahuli, okay? Message na kayo. Sa mga naghahanap po ng mga pampaswerte, meron akong one full necklace. This is a Chinese pampaswerte. Okay, one full, nagdadala ito ng blessings, prosperity, abundance, good fortune, ayan, pampaswerte and happiness. Ayan, so this is only 300 pesos, may libre na siyang red bracelet. Kaya wag na kayong magpahuli. Okay, message me sa Facebook page Ladybug PH kung gusto nyong bumili. Sa mga naghahanap naman po ng money magnet oil or pampaswerte, panghatak sa kaperahan. Okay, I have money magnet oil for only 299, may libre ng red bracelet. Ayan, wag na kayong pagpahuli mga madam and sir. Iilan na lang po ito. Okay, ipahid nyo lang sa pulso, sa kamay ninyo or sa likod ng tenga ninyo. Ayan, kahit saan pwede nyong ilagay. Okay, pwede nyo lang din dalhin kung ayaw nyong gamitin. Ayan, pampahatak po ng pera. Okay, mag-message po kayo sa Facebook page ko, Ladybug PH po. Ayan, mga madam and sir, welcome back. Ayan, so sa mga naghanap po ng pampaswerte, ayan, meron po tayong jade necklace. This is only 300 pesos each. Ayan, pampaswerte sa sugal, pampaswerte sa buhay, lahat na po, pampaswerte sa pag-ibig. Yan, jade is for good luck. Kaya kunin nyo na. Okay, message nyo po ako sa Facebook page Ladybug PH. Ayan, mag-message po kayo. Sabihin po ninyo, ma'am, pabili po ako ng jade necklace, 300 pesos. Ngayon sa mga namumblema naman dyan sa pera, meron tayong green aventurine. Maganda po ito panghatak sa pera. This is a money magnet stone, yung green aventurine. So, if namumblema kayo sa pera, hindi kayo maka-loan, hindi kayo makabenta, hindi kayo parang walang pasok, walang perang pumapasok, no? So, kailangan po ninyo ng green aventurine necklace. This is only 300 pesos, kaya mag-message na kayo bago pa kayo maunahan. Now, sa mga namumblema naman sa kanilang love life, meron tayong rose quartz necklace. 4 pieces lang po ang available sa ngayon. Pero wag po kayong mag-aalala kasi magre-restock po ako in the future. So, sa gustong bumili, ayan, mag-message lang kayo sa Facebook page Ladybug PH or dito sa Facebook page if naka-post po ito sa Facebook page, ayan, mag-PM na po kayo. Okay, so yung rose quartz po ay tutulong sa inyo na ma-in-love lalo ang yung person. So, gamitin nyo po ito, okay, during or pag nasa tabi po ninyo ang inyong mga minamahal sa buhay, o di ba? Ayan, so yung rose quartz din po ay nakakatulong para maging maayos ang takbo ng iyong love life. Last but not the least, yung citrine necklace po. Alam naman natin na yung citrine is the stone, merchant stone. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, yung mga merchants or mga sellers. Kaya kung ikaw ay nagbebenta, meron kang binibenta, may sari-sari store ka, may restaurant ka, may business ka, ayan, maganda po itong citrine. Bagay na bagay po ito sa mga negosyante dyan. Okay? Para panghatak, pampaswerte, panghatak ng pera, ayan yung citrine. And talagang mabibenta ninyo yung mga binibenta ninyo. Lalo-lalo na dun sa mga nagbibenta ng lupa. Ayan, pwede rin yung citrine. Ayan, kung meron kayong binibentang kahit anong binibenta. Okay? This is the seller's stone, kumbaga. Kaya, ayan, kunti lang yan. For sure, maraming bibili nito kaya paunahan lang po sa pagbayad. Kaya huwag ka nang magpahuli, mag-message na kayo sa Facebook page Ladybug PH Tarot. Kung ito nakapost sa Facebook page, ayan, mag-PM na po kayo. Sa mga naghahanap po ng mga diffuser bracelets, ayan, naka-promo sale po ako ngayon. 799 po for only 3 items. So, ano yung mga items na yon? Diffuser bracelet, money magnet oil na 299. Ngayon, isa-sale ko na. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating all-in-one powerful red bracelet. So, for 3 items, 799 na. So, mag-message lang kayo kasi I think this is only 5 pieces available yung set. Now, sa mga gusto namang bumili lang ng money magnet oil lang ang bibilhin nila, okay? This is only 299. Ayan, may libre ng red bracelet. Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? Naka-promo yan ngayon. Ngayon lang yung pag hindi naubos yung red bracelet. Kaya mag-message na kayo sa Facebook page. Hanapin ninyo Ladybug PH.